Let's create.
So I have some eggs, tomatoes, chili peppers, onions, and I decided some cilantro. I decided to cook some huevos a la Mexicana, or Mexico scrambled eggs. Very simple, okay? So let me start with the chili peppers. Chili peppers, okay? What I'm going to do, and it's up to you if you want to keep the peels. Not the peels, but the seeds. Me, I'm going to take this baby out, okay? I'm just going to take them out. And I'm going to slice and dice these babies, okay? Slice and dice. And some tomatoes from my daughter's garden. From my little girl garden. Although she's an adult now, I call her my little girl. Just going to cut them in wedges. I like to use my bread knife to cut the tomatoes, by the way. Some onion. You don't have to do a lot of onion or anything like that, by the way. Just enough to reach your desired amount. You just want to chop it, okay? So I decided to go with 6 eggs. And I think they're going to make the trick. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix them well. It's about a minute. Maybe 30 seconds. Just mix them well, okay? This is optional, just a trick. I have a tiny bit of water with cornstarch. Just add it. Kind of give it some more texture and thickness. And mix well again, okay? So add some cooking oil, maybe a tablespoon. Hot pan, medium high. Going to add some onions. And I'm going to add some tomatoes, the tomatoes. And I'm going to add the chili peppers. And I'm going to take care of business, okay? Just going to take care of business. Kind of caramelize this stuff, huh? It's about 3 or 4 minutes later. Time to put the eggs. But before I do that, let me put a little bit of salt, okay? Just a pinch. Or 2. Mix it once again. And now we're going to scramble these eggs, okay? See? I'm going to scramble these babies. Couple notches above medium. You don't have to put a lot of stuff, just a quick scramble. You don't want them too dry, you want them nice, okay? So this is enough. This is how it looks. Here you have it. Huevo a la Mexicana. A breakfast, lunch, or dinner.